So here's how I kind of come at this conundrum from a scientific perspective. A lot of people who try to compare feats of fictional characters will end up saying stuff like, oh, well, you could just go faster than light in this universe. Relativity doesn't exist. But when I watch series, when I read fictional materials, I look at the way the universe works and I go, it's very clear that relativity still exists in this universe. Like, gravity still exists and it's intertwined with relativity. Mass energy conversion exists and it's intertwined with relativity. Like, that's the thing. All our scientific principles are very closely intertwined with each other. If relativity didn't exist and you could just move faster than light, then planets wouldn't be spheres. So when I see a character moving really, really fast, but I see all the trappings of relativity, I ask myself, what is the best explanation of this? To me, it seems like an absurd conclusion to say they can just move faster than light because you don't see any time dilation, you don't see any gravitational effects, you don't see any effects of increasing effective mass. You don't even see the Doppler effect except for that one scene in Mushoku Tensei. This is a universe where relativity obviously exists and a character is supposedly moving very fast but experiences no relativistic effects. In which case, it seems to be a much simpler conclusion that this character is not moving faster than light. In fact, the very fact that you can see them do anything, or that other characters could see them do anything, pretty much shows that light is still moving at the speed of light, faster than them, bouncing off them, and allowing people to see them. And that means either one of two things are happening. Either A, the speed of causality in this fictional universe is higher, which is an interesting thing to think about, and then you can extrapolate the rest of the laws of the universe from there. Or B, the character moving that fast was just dramatic effect. Like, you gotta remember, not every feat shown in a piece of media is literal. Some are exaggerated to make certain scenes hit harder. When a character moves faster than you can see, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're moving faster than photons, it just means they're hard to keep track of. This is something you can do in real life. You can move faster than someone's reaction time. And that can just be stylized in animation as moving so fast they disappear. It doesn't necessarily mean that they are faster than light. Remember, exaggeration due to dramatic effect has been a tool in storytelling since before the written word. So yeah, if we see things like spherical planets and gravity, I think it's safe to assume in a fictional universe that the laws of physics are consistent. And an author is probably not thinking about keeping those laws consistent, so if they draw a character moving faster than light, it's pretty safe to assume that's probably dramatic exaggeration.